Student, today we are going to learn about the lesson 1 Letter to God Solution of Comprehension Check Question and Answers. Question 1. What did Lencho hope for? Answer is Lencho hoped for the water in form of rain. Question 2. Why did Lencho say the raindrops were like a new coins? Answer is he said this because his crop really needed rain for being a good harvest, so when it rained, he saw it in the form of new coins. How did the rain change? What happened to Lencho's field? Answer is the rain changed into hailstorms. Hails fell on the house, the garden, hillside, and the cornfield. They destroyed the Lencho's field completely. Question number 4. What were the Lencho's feeling when he hail stopped? Answer is Lencho felt completely broken. The hail had left nothing. He felt that they would have no corn that year. Question number 5. Who or what did Lencho have faith in? What did he do? Answer is Lencho had faith in God. He felt that God's eyes saw everything. He wrote a letter to God. Question number 6. Who read the letter? Answer. The postman and the postmaster read the Lencho's letter to God. Question number 7. What did the postmaster do then? Answer is the postmaster helped Lencho by sending money on behalf of God. Lencho had written a letter to God to help him with money. The postmaster didn't want to shake Lencho's faith in God, so he collected money and sent to the Lencho. Question number 8. Was Lencho surprised to find a letter for him with money in it? Answer is no. Lencho was not surprised to find a letter for him with money. It was because he had full faith in God. He knew that God saw everything, even in one's consequence. Question number 9. What made him angry? Answer is Lencho had requested God to send him 100 pesos, but God sent him only 70 pesos. It was not good in God's part. This made him angry. Question number 10. Who does Lencho have complete faith in? Which sentence in the story tell you this? Answer is Lencho has complete faith in God. The sentence are all through the night Lencho thought only of his one hope, the help of God, whose eye sees everything, even what is deep in one's consequence. Question number 11. Why does the postmaster send money to Lencho? Why does he sign the letter God? Answer is the postmaster doesn't want that Lencho's faith in God should break. He in fact feels proud that the Lencho has such a great faith in God. He signs the letter again to keep Lencho's faith intact. If he does not do so, Lencho might think differently. His faith in God may shake. Question number 12. Did Lencho try to find out who had sent the money to him? Why or why not? Answer is the Lencho did not try to find out who had sent the money to him. It was because he had complete faith in God. He therefore did not bother about the sender. Question number 13. Who does the Lencho think has taken the rest of the money? What is the irony in the situation? Remember that the irony of a situation is an unexpected aspect of it. An irony situation is strange or amusing because it is the opposite of what is expected. The answer is Lencho thinks that the rest of the money has been taken by the post office officials. The irony in the situation is that the post office officials contribute money for Lencho, yet he looks at them as a crooks. Question number 14. Are there people like Lencho in the real world? What kind of a person would you say he is? You may select appropriate words from the box. Answer the questions. This question is a value-based question. So here is the answer. Yes, there are the people like Lencho in the world? He is such a person who changed go to any extent in his faith in God. He is a resolute, determined, and firm. Lencho is also naive, stupid, and comical. Question number 15. There are two kinds of the conflicts in the story between human and nature, the humans themselves. How are this is conflict illustrated? The answer is this is conflicts are illustrated in the form of hailstorm destroying Lencho's crop. So he thinks of the god and writes a letter to him for a help. The other conflict is illustrated by Lencho. It is in his not believing in the post office official honesty. He thinks them crooks and dishonest person. Thank you. Keep watching.